definitely think it's cleaning your toys well.
Yeah.
I think so.
Because it's a cleaner, cleans especially toys and things like that. So please show off my toy.
Beautiful toy. It's a lovely
Elephant.
elephant. It's a lovely clean elephant.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's all its family.
Down there.
Yeah.
You're cleaning them as well?
Yeah. I'm going to run out.
No, we've got more.
Okay.
You can use it all though, because it is handy for other things.
I just need all of it to clean my special toys. Well, nobody wants me to die.
Nobody wants you to die, darling.
I'm wanting to do this, but it's
No,
hard.
don't take the whole thing off. Just squirt. Say goodbye to the camera now.
Goodbye.